From hobby to hustle, how to turn your crafts into cash on Etsy. Starting a home-based Etsy business can be an exciting venture. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1. Research and define your niche. Identify the type of products you want to sell on Etsy. Consider your interest, skills, and market demand. Research similar products on Etsy to understand what sells well and what doesn't. Number 2. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target audience, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Having a clear roadmap will help you stay focused and organized. Number 3. Set up your Etsy shop. Sign up for an Etsy account if you don't have one already. Use a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Complete your shop profile and add a compelling shop banner and logo. Number 4. Source or create products. Decide whether you will create your products from scratch or source them from suppliers. If you are making your products, ensure you have the necessary materials and equipment. If sourcing, find reliable suppliers or wholesalers. Number 5. Photograph your products. Take high-quality photos of your products to showcase them effectively on your Etsy shop. Use natural light and clean backgrounds to highlight your items. Number 6. Write compelling product descriptions. Craft engaging and informative product descriptions that accurately describe your items. Use relevant keywords to improve your visibility in Etsy search results. Number 7. Set your prices. Determine your pricing strategy by considering factors like material cost, time investment, and competitor prices. Ensure your prices cover your expenses and provide a reasonable profit margin. Number 8. Set up shop policies. Establish clear policies regarding shipping returns and exchanges. Transparency builds trust with customers and helps manage their expectations. Number 9. List your products. Add your products to your Etsy shop, providing detailed information and multiple high-quality photos for each item. Organize your products into categories to make browsing easier for customers. Number 10. Promote your shop. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Engage with potential customers by sharing behind-the-scenes content, product updates, and special promotions. Number 11. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and messages from customers. Offer personalized assistance and strive to exceed their expectations to build loyalty and positive reviews. Number 12. Manage your finances. Keep track of your income, expenses, and sales taxes. Consider using accounting software or hiring a professional accountant to help you manage your finances efficiently. Number 13. Optimize your shop for success. Continuously monitor your shop's performance and make adjustments as needed. Analyze your sales data, experiment with different marketing strategies, and stay updated on industry trends. Starting a home-based Etsy business requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. For all additional questions and advice, read the Etsy Seller Handbook. We recommend starting with popular topics such as getting found, photography, pricing, taxes, and finance, and others. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can build a successful and fulfilling business on Etsy. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great day. More videos await you. Hit subscribe, share with friends. Catch you later.